guys, welcome back to Newlook. Another natural homemade remedy is waiting for you now. Generally, we all aspire to attain the white and glowing skin. It is like a dream for all the Indian beauties. Sad but true, no? Whether it is a man or women, all love fair and healthier skin that attracts people and raise confidence of a person. We spend money to complete these desires but ultimately result in disappointments and regrets. So from now onwards, you can achieve your skin dream easily with a rice flour and using maida. Rice flour is good for making the skin glow and get fairer skin. Moreover, this helps to remove the blackheads and whiteheads, hence causing the looks clear and smooth skin. So let's get started. For this you require maida and rice flour. By using these two ingredients, now I'm going to do a pack. Take a clean empty bowl, take a spoon of rice flour and a spoon of maida. I'm using rose water to get a paste. This rice flour is very useful in getting a fairer looking skin. Also, the maida do the same thing as rice flour do. It is so economical and easy to buy that you can't resist using it. You may have tried this rice flour in cooking while making different cuisines and dishes, but it is natural ingredient and is very beneficial to our skin too. It improves skin complexion and boosts the skin elasticity. As I said earlier, rice powder packs will be helpful for uneven skin tone. Also, it is rich in vitamin C and para-amino benzoic acid. Actually, this one I don't know. I studied from the internet about this para-amino benzoic acid. It has other essential vitamins and minerals too, which even the skin tone and protects the skin from the suntan. So you people also try this. Yes. After making the paste, now I'm taking a tomato. This one I don't tell in ingredients. If you have lemon with you, you can use the lemon too. But for now I am using the tomato. Take the tomato and cut it into two parts. Now taking one part, dipped in this rice flour and maida mixture. So you just squeeze like that, so that the tomato juice also added to the mixture like this, and apply this on your face and massage like this. Here I am using the hand, but you can use this for face like this. Just rub. This tomato juice also helps to get our skin fairer. That's why I'm taking tomato. Lemon also do the same, but don't use too much of lemon. This tomato is very natural and doesn't give any side effects. After massaging for 15 minutes, wash your face. So guys, you also try this maida and rice flour natural homemade remedy at your home. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give a thumbs up, share with your friends, also subscribe to our channel Newlook.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.